Welcome to my roundup of the top 5 best compact microwaves of 2026, the ultimate lineup for small kitchens, dorms, offices, and apartments. These microwaves combine space-saving design, reliable performance, and modern features, making them perfect for everyday cooking, reheating, and defrosting. Today's models feature sleek designs, multiple power levels, one-touch cooking presets, and energy-efficient systems, giving you the confidence to prepare meals quickly and conveniently. In this guide, I'll walk you through the top options available this year and help you choose the perfect compact microwave for your home. Check the description for the latest deals, and let's dive into the best small microwave ovens of 2026. Kicking things off with the Tekami Countertop Small Microwave. The Tekami Countertop Small Microwave is the compact champion designed for everyday use. With its sleek design and efficient heating system, it fits neatly into tight spaces while delivering consistent results. I love how its multiple power levels allow me to adjust cooking intensity depending on the dish. Its one-touch cooking presets make operation simple, while the removable glass turntable ensures even heating. The lightweight design makes it easy to move, and the affordable price makes it accessible. What makes Tekami attractive is its balance of practicality and performance. It's strong enough for daily use, yet compact enough for small kitchens. For anyone who wants a reliable microwave that saves space, the Tekami Countertop Microwave is a smart pick. Coming in next is the Frigidaire Microwave Oven. The Frigidaire Microwave Oven is the trusted classic from a brand known for kitchen excellence. With its durable build and reliable performance, it's perfect for families and professionals alike. I appreciate its multiple cooking presets, which make reheating and defrosting effortless. Its large capacity fits bigger dishes, while the sleek design enhances any kitchen. The digital display adds convenience, and the sturdy construction ensures long-term reliability. What makes Frigidaire stand out is its reputation. It's trusted by millions for dependable performance. For anyone who wants a reliable, branded microwave, the Frigidaire Microwave Oven is a solid contender. Turning our attention to the Magic Chef Countertop Microwave Oven. The Magic Chef Countertop Microwave Oven is the budget-friendly option that doesn't sacrifice quality. With its compact design, it's perfect for dorms, offices, or small apartments. I love how lightweight and portable it is, making it easy to move and store. Its multiple power levels add flexibility, while the one-touch cooking presets make operation simple. The removable turntable ensures even heating, and the affordable price makes it accessible. What makes Magic Chef attractive is its value. It offers solid performance without the premium price tag. For anyone who wants a dependable microwave on a budget, the Magic Chef Countertop Microwave is a great choice. Let's check out the Emerson MWR 7020BL Microwave Oven. The Emerson MWR 7020BL Microwave Oven is the versatile option designed for everyday use. With its digital controls and multiple power levels, it delivers flexibility for different cooking tasks. I appreciate its compact design, which makes it suitable for small kitchens, while still offering strong performance. Its sleek design adds style, while the durable build ensures reliability. The removable turntable ensures even heating, and the affordable price makes it accessible. What makes Emerson attractive is its practicality. It's strong enough for routine tasks, yet compact enough for tight spaces. For anyone who wants a microwave that blends style with performance, the Emerson MWR 7020BL is a smart pick. Wrapping things up with the comfy EM720CPL PMB Microwave Oven. The comfy EM720CPL PMB Microwave Oven is the stylish option that blends modern design with practical performance. With its one-touch cooking functions, it makes reheating and cooking effortless. I love how its energy-efficient system saves power, making it perfect for eco-conscious households. Its compact design fits neatly into small kitchens, while the sleek finish adds elegance. The durable build ensures long-term reliability, and the affordable price makes it accessible. What makes Comfy attractive is its focus on design. It's proof that microwaves can be both functional and stylish. For anyone who wants a microwave that looks as good as it performs, the Comfy EM720CPL PMB is a delightful choice. All of these compact microwaves bring something valuable to the table, depending on your lifestyle and kitchen size. The Tekami Countertop Microwave is perfect for small kitchens with reliable performance. The Frigidaire Microwave Oven offers trusted reliability from a respected brand. The Magic Chef countertop microwave emphasizes affordability with dependable results. The Emerson MWR 7020BL microwave oven delivers versatility with digital controls. And the comfy EM720CPL PMB microwave oven stands out as the stylish option with energy efficiency. When choosing a compact microwave, it's important to consider size, power levels, cooking presets, and design. Smaller models fit tight spaces, while larger capacities suit families. Multiple power levels add flexibility, while one-touch presets make operation simple. Sleek designs enhance kitchens, and energy-efficient systems save power. Budget-friendly models provide solid performance, while premium options deliver advanced features for serious cooks. That wraps up my top 5 best compact microwaves of 2026. Whether you're a student, a busy professional, or a homeowner with limited space, there's a perfect microwave here for you. These appliances represent the best balance of convenience, performance, and value, helping you prepare meals quickly and efficiently. So, if you're ready to upgrade your kitchen, check the description below for the latest deals and grab the microwave that fits your lifestyle. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more kitchen appliance reviews and buying guides. With the right compact microwave, you'll enjoy faster cooking, easier meal prep, and the satisfaction of perfectly heated dishes. Power up your kitchen, simplify your routine, and enjoy the convenience of modern cooking every day.